and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 75. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course guys, in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 75. If you would like to see the previous 74, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, as you mosey on down, you can see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. So that's pretty awesome. And what's great is that I realized that I can see different pieces that we've gotten, which is really cool. So you can really see how each little piece is going to surface in the house. So I'm pretty excited about that. And guys, as always, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, with that being said, let's open this up. And here it talks about the child's room with an area for games. Very cute. And here it says, the girls of the dollhouse. So it shows some pictures of what little girls were like in the dollhouses, so they would depict them as well, which is very cool. I'm really loving this collection. But anyway, here it shows you how to make for the dollhouse like a fake cheese with pepper. It tells you all of the materials that you'll need as well as the tools. And then it walks you through how to do each one of the steps one by one. And I'm having again problems to flip the pages. There. But as I always say with this collection, guys, once we finish unboxing the entire thing, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little side projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. This is lovely. And well, let's continue on. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back, we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, guys, with that being said, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, guys, so now it's time to unbox our brand new addition to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. One tape gone. And now I have to cut this one too. Okay, let's put that to the side. We have a little styrofoam cube there. Okay, take that out. Okay, so we have the kitchen sink. I believe this is for the kitchen at least. And up at the top, we have this really nice lacquered wood with a gold faucet and two little knobs for the hot and the cold. And then we have a wooden piece under. I guess this would be like a lacquered wood here. And then you have 4 drawers on this side, which I believe open. Yes. See? You can pull them all the way out if you want. To put different things in for the dollhouse. And then you have this like gingham cover on the side, which you can pull aside and you can put things in here as well. And you can move it either way you want, either to the left or to the right, which is very cool. Well, I'm going to show you the sides. And here you have the back. Oops, one of the drawers fell out. Okay. And here's the back, as I was saying before. And the other side. And here's the bottom. And you guys tell me, what do you think about our new addition to the dollhouse? Do you like this kitchen sink? I think it's pretty cute. I wish the drawers wouldn't come out so easily, but other than that, I think it's pretty adorable. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, of course, as I said before, make sure to go on over and check out my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well, guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.